Today's hack is a fast, simple, and inexpensive way to turn your closet into a miniature clothesline for those items you don't want to put in the dryer. If you're like us, you've been hanging clothes to dry using the molding at the top of a closet door to suspend the hangers from. It's not a very secure way to hang things up, and it tends to scratch up the paint above the molding. So let's fix that with a couple of these extendable tension rods that cost about $3 each and a few scraps of wood. I'm using a piece of PVC trim board, which has the advantage of being white throughout, so I don't need to add any paint to it. You can also add a little piece of melamine board or any scraps of material you have available. A little white paint will make it blend into the existing millwork. I cut 3 pieces to size, about 2.5 inches long and 2 inches wide. Then I drilled a pilot hole in the center, about 2/3 of the way down on all 3 pieces. With a spade bit, I cut an indent into each piece so the tension rods will have additional stability when tightened into place. For this closet, I need a bracket on each side that has 1 indent and a center bracket that has 2 indents. The side pieces are attached by passing a screw through the original pilot hole and fastening it into the door frame. The centerpiece is attached to the top of the door frame using a channel I drilled out to accept the screw. Then it's a simple matter of tightening the 2 tension rods in place, and you have a secure rod for hanging clothes. It's out of sight when the closet is closed, and no more laundry accidentally falling on the floor, and no more paint scratches. I hope you found this helpful, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching Amazing Home Hacks.